Hello everyone, today I will be reviewing Aqua Celestia's Cologne Forte. I have got the 5 ml bottle as I bought the 3 from the line, the Universalis, the Vitae and the Celestia Cologne Fortes. I bought only the Universalis Cologne Forte from the line because it was my only favorite. I like the other ones too, but I think they are obsolete. They have no meaning, they shouldn't be created. Even the Universalis Cologne Forte can be arguably not, there is no use for these perfumes. The difference in the bottles in the other ones is just the color. When you look at this one, this has a little bit of a whiter color, as you can see on the packaging here, and the other ones has a blue and a yellow orangey tone in the glass. And when we compare the bottle, for example, with the Celestia Cologne Fortes bottle, we can see that it's exactly the same, only the cap is a difference. You get a solid metal cap with a real stone inside in the Celestia Forte, but in the Universalis Cologne Forte, Vitae Cologne Forte or the other one, you get a plastic cap like this one. They cheaped out because of the new owners, I guess, because Francis Kurkdjian has sold around 50% of his company to LVMH Group, the biggest group in the world that owns Louis Vuitton, Moet Hennessy, all those big brands. And right now they also own Francis Kurkdjian. The bottles, you can see, the cap, you can see that the plastic cap is a little bit bigger than the real cap, the metal cap, so they cheaped out. But anyway, let's talk about the scent of Celestia Cologne Forte, because that's what's important, right? It's a great perfume, you cannot go wrong with this. My only concern with the scent here is that you are paying here around $160 depending on where you're from, and for $20 more you can get the normal Celestia Forte, which is a perfect masterpiece. This smells more like a designer perfume. This smells really niche. There is a very top dominant black currant note in this Cologne Forte. It's this black currant. The bergamot is very strong in the beginning, but then it settles down. It's a very clean perfume, inoffensive. Everybody can wear it, if you're man or woman. If you're 15 years old, this is also perfect for young kids. You cannot go wrong with this one. The bergamot is very strong, initially very strong. The black currant keeps on dominating. Longevity is around 4 to 5 hours with this perfume. My only the only downside, the only critique I have on this perfume is there was really no reason for this to be created other than having more sales for the brand, because the normal lineup that Francis Kurkdjian already has, the Universalis Forte, Celestia Forte and the Vitae Forte, are already perfect enough. They did not need another lineup, which was Eau de Parfum, by the way, to complement the normal lineup, because there was no use of this. The scent itself, it's like a combination of, for example, Vitae, Universalis and Celestia Forte. I don't know what they did, but it is like, for example, they took some of the DNA of Celestia Forte, then they took some of the DNA of Universalis and some of the DNA of Vitae Forte, and they mixed and matched it up and they got this. It's not a bad perfume. This is really a great perfume, but there is no use for it, because for the same price point you can go for the normal Fortes, which are better, which last longer. I also experienced they have a better sillage than these ones. Any age can wear this one. If it was, for example, $100 for a 70 ml, I would say it's perfect. But for $160, comparing it to $180, for example, to the Celestia Forte, there is no use there. The price point is very wrong, because it is very designer-like, and you're paying niche price for something that smells very designer-like. The jasmine comes out right now. I'm getting some jasmine, but that black currant keeps on dominating, and it also smells like this black currant tea. 100% unisex. This is 100% unisex. Any occasion you can wear this anytime. The sillage, it's not bad, but it can be better. I'm telling you, the normal Fortes are better than these ones. The only reason I bought the Universalis Cologne Forte is because I truly love this one, and I did not buy the normal Universalis because I do not like it that much, but this one I liked it more, and I wanted to have a bottle of Universalis, so I bought this one. With the Celestia, I would really pay $20 more and just get the normal Aqua Celestia Forte, because this is just a masterpiece. This seems truly like they took a little bit of Universalis, Celestia and Vitae, mixed and matched, and got this. This is just smelling from the cap, it's amazing. You can't compare it. When I spray it, oh, initial blast, immediately you feel the difference. This is deeper, this is more complex, this is fresher, more summery, airy. Yeah, there is no match with the normal Forte. I would never buy this one. As long as they produce the Celestia Forte, I will never buy the Cologne Forte of Celestia. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to the channel. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.